guys! Okay, first day in AZ. Yan, nakapag-bihis na ako. Nakapag-bihis na ang first scene. This is our outfit check. Diba? Hey, ang hard naman pala. Yan. Yan, this is our outfit for the day. Diba? Falda-faldahan lang ang first scene. Kasi nga mainit dito, guys. Desierto, yeah. That's our fit for the day. Ayan, manipis lang naman tong aking long sleeve. So, there. Tapos may dala akong bag na maliit. Ayan, hinihintay ko yung aking office mate kasi susunduin niya daw ako. Pwede naman ako mag-Uber, pero syempre Disney princess. Kailangan. Tsaka mainit, guys. Para paglabas, sasakay na lang ng sasakyan. 5 p.m. ang out namin sa work. So, ayan. Hello, AZ. Good morning. 118 daw ang weather, ang init ngayon. So, mas mainit siya kaysa sa kahapon. Well, hindi na kami lalabas. Aircon naman dun sa office. Kaya, pakak lang. Hindi ko alam kung may pupuntahan kami mamayang hapon. But, yeah. Work, work, work! Ayan, ito yung bag ko. Nilagay ko lang yung mga laptop ko tsaka yung iPad ko. Tapos, may bit-bit kasi ako na ganyan. Yung mga pasalubong, eme. Tapos, ito yung aking mga essentials. Ganyan, nandyan sa bag. Tapos nga, meron nga ako kahapon. Di ba na-suffer? Suffer, lala. Oh my God, as in, hindi ko alam. Kinakabahan na ako kasi sobrang lakas, guys. Like, every 1 hour, kailangan magpalit kasi sobrang punong-puno na siya, ganun. Kung kailan naman ako nandito, alam mo yun, kung kailan nandito sa Arizona, saka naman siya, pakitang gilas talaga tong kipos ni mama. Diyos ko, sana wag ako matagusan mamaya. Nagdala ko ng isang pack. Actually, 2 na. Yung pangalawa, kasi bumili nga ako sa airport, di ba? Yung, naubos ko na yung una. Yung pangalawa, parang kalahati na lang. So, kailangan kong bumili mamaya. Nag-check ako, meron namang malapit na Walmart, pero mag-u-Uber. So, pupunta ako doon mamaya. Kasi, hindi Fedelman siya. Perfect talaga. Kailangan bumili ng Fantafel me. Okay. Sige, bye-bye.
A few moments later.
Hi, guys. I'm with Reina right now. Hey, Reina. Hi. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi,
Yeah, Reina is our paralegal. She's a good friend of mine. And, can I talk in Tagalog in my language? Yes. Pupunta kami sa grocery kasi bibili ako ng tubig and everything. So, sasamahan niya ako. She's very nice. Sasamahan ako kahit busy siya. So, there. We're gonna go to... Saan?
I'm looking up a Walmart right now.
Walmart. Okay. We're gonna go to Walmart. Sorry, kasi... I'm literally talking in Tagalog to you.
A word.
Sorry, Reina. I know you're busy.
No, I'm never busy.
You have nothing to do right now?
Nothing.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. She's driving her car is really nice.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm super lucky. I have Reina in Arizona. The weather is hot, but it's pretty cool. It's our first time here, so yeah, it's great.
It's
Reina?
a Dutch oven here.
Yeah, I know, right? But Reina said she'll start vlogging too. So once she's created her channel, please subscribe to her too.
Yes, Yes, please.
Ooh! Perfect.
Little cheaper than Walmart. And it's
Really?
more organic stuff.
We should go there then.
Okay, let's go there then. Yeah. And that's actually down the street.
Okay.
Yeah.
I haven't been to say Trader Joe's.
Oh, you haven't? Oh,
Yeah.
you can vlog there. American Trader Joe's.
Let's go.
Yes.
Because I've been to Walmart like 2-3 times already.
Okay.
So I've experienced Walmart already. Trader
Okay.
Joe's, no, not yet. So yeah.
I'm so excited.
Woo! Let's do
Yeah, and there's
it.
also like Whole Foods next door.
Okay.
So that's another. Remember me and Kenna were telling you about. Those
Uh-huh.
are like the more organic.
Oh.
Honestly, to tell you the truth, Whole Foods it's a little bit more expensive,
Uh-huh.
but
Quality.
then no, Trader Joe's has really good quality.
Oh.
But Trader Joe's is cheaper than Whole Foods.
Gotcha. So these are new buildings?
Some of them are. Yeah, some of them are. Some of them aren't. Sure.
You did it again, girl!
Welcome to Arizona.
She did it again! She did it earlier when we were getting food.
Don't be scared. I'm the safest driver because there are some crazier ones over here. They promise it'll be more safe.
But very good that you're using the signal lights.
Yes.
Okay.
Arizona is like filled with personal injury attorneys here because
Yeah.
we are getting a little crazy. Or not we, I should say Arizona people are getting a little bit more hostile and crazier. I'm telling you.
These cookies. Where are you?
Here,
Okay, sorry.
here they actually do have like obviously here it's really good to eat here.
Oh, okay. So we're at Whole Foods. Whole Foods. Walang Whole Foods in the Philippines. Woo! Okay.
Yeah. but,
Uh-huh.
I mean, if I had to choose between Walmart and Care, probably here.
Yeah.
A lot more organic stuff here.
Got you. Eat more of these sweet potatoes. Replace it with like rice. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
With rice. Yeah, you can eat that and that's way healthier, I'm telling you.
Got it.
Yeah.
Let's start doing that.
Yeah. Let's just go to the feminine section. Because like I pretty much got everything there already. So yeah.
Let's see.
You know what? I wanna buy Aquaphor.
Yeah.
Because that is really expensive in the Philippines.
Is it really?
Yeah. You know what? I'm looking for some cherries.
Cherries?
Yeah. Because blackberries. Okay. Here's you guys. Raspberries. Strawberries are like $2. Okay. Here you go. Sobrang mahal niyan guys sa Pilipinas. Oh my God.
So you take a look at them before you buy them.
Oh, yeah. Kasi ang mahal nito guys sa Philippines. So, here it's just $5.99, which is a very good price. What juice do you recommend? So we're getting that one. Made this one. It has creamer already, sugar in it.
You guys are advanced. We don't have that.
I'm serious right now.
You know what? We have something similar to that.
Uh-huh.
It's like Nestle Cafe.
Yeah.
Okay, is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
I'm not sure if they have it here, but they might have something like similar to it here.
Okay.
Let me see where coffee's
Yeah. Okay. There you go. Alright. Okay. This one's
are
okay?
good, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna get maybe like 3. Okay. Good?
Yeah, that one's good.
Okay. Crunchy. Okay, we like it crunchy. Okay.
Drink a little bit. I know, I'm so bad at that.
I'll probably just get this, like a couple bottles. But
It's my microphone dirty, I'm telling you.
I know, right? See? See? Nothing.
It's me, I know. I know that's why you asked if I dropped myself.
Yeah. That's so weird.
I'm always getting
Are they separate orders or it's
It's the same.
Few moments later.
Hi guys. So I'm back. We're gonna do a little haul kasi gusto ko nang kainin yung mga pinamili ko. Nagpunta kami ng Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, and Fry's to get some stuff kasi nga ang mahal ng tubig dito sa hotel. So parang kahapon nagbili ako sa baba. Ang konti-konti lang yung binili ko, $40 na kaagad. So malakas ako sa water, so kailangan doon ako bumili sa supermarket, sa grocery store para at least makatipid, right? So we went there to get some stuff for me for the whole week, and i-haul natin yun ngayon kasi gusto ko nang kainin, guys. Like, yun ang kakainin ko the whole week. Pero pwede ako mag room service, charge to the company na lang. Okay, so kung tinatamad ako, ito yung kakainin ko. So yeah, let's start the haul. So first, this is from Trader Joe. Ayan. Doon ako madaming nabili actually sa Trader Joe. I got their multi-grain Trader Joe bread. Ayan, ganyan siya, guys. And then, bumili ako ng ito, Trader Joe sparkling water. Parang $1, almost $2 to, itong malaking bottle. I got 2, dalawa nun. And then, kumuha din ako nitong Mountain Spring Water. Parang 77 cents lang siya. Dalawang ganito na malaki ang binili ko. And then, ito pa. There. At dito ako super excited kasi ang mahal nito sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? Kasi nga siguro dahil imported, 'di ba? But I got ito, sweet red cherries. Ayan, ganyan siya, guys. Mahal to sa atin parang ang konti-konti, parang 200 pesos. Oh, see? Look it. Ayan, ang sarap nito, guys. So, bumili ako ng isang ganyan. And, eto, meron naman din sa atin ito, sa SNR meron. Kaso, ang mahal, guys. Ito, I got this. Ayan, this is raspberries framboises. $2. $2 lang siya. Ayan. I also got, ito, guys. Ito, super excited ako dito kasi nga, siguro sa mga grocery store sa atin na yung mga pang social, merong ganito. Pero mostly, kung sa SM pupunta, ganyan, naka-can na. Gusto ko nga ma-experience yung kakagatin mo yung peaches ng ano. So, ayan. I got real peaches. Ganyan. This is parang tatlo yung binili ko So, parang ano siya. Parang almost $2 lang itong Ang tatlo na nabili ko. Ayan. I got 3. Tchajan! Diba? Lahat ng mga fruits na mahal sa atin, kakainin ko dito, guys. Tapos, I also got strawberries. Ayan. This is, itong malaking packet na to, $2 lang siya. Ayan, $2. This, I got fresh blackberries. Fresh blackberries. This is like $3. 150. Almost 200 pesos. Guys, ang laki. Diba? Ayan. Perfect. Tapos, since may tinapay ako, bumili ako ng Trader Joe's Crunchy Almond Butter. This is like $5. Ito. And then, bumili din ako ng itong limeade juice. Sabi nung friend ko, si Rina, masarap daw to. So, I got this. This is like $2. And then, bumili din ako isa. Masarap din daw to. Sabi niya, this is like, mas mura to, pero mas malaki. This is fresh squeezed lemonade ng Trader Joe's. Like, almost $2 to. And then, I also got their super sour Scandinavian swimmers. This is, parang gummy bears. Ayan, gummy bears siya. And then, that's Trader Joe's pa din. I got their Trader Joe's coconut water. There. And then, I got, this is electrolyte, Trader Joe's alkaline water. Ayan. And then, I also got, ito yung isa, sparkling lime water. Okay. So, that's all I got from Trader Joe's. And then, ito is from Whole Foods. Ayan, from Whole Foods. I got, ito. Ito lang yung binili namin sa Whole Foods. Poppy. Ayan, Poppy. Ayan. Hindi ko lang kung may ganito sa atin. Kung meron man parang mahal. This is like $1 and something. Ayan, Poppy. I got 3 flavors. I have the this is a probiotic soda, Doc Pop. Ang flavor nito is parang cherry. Cherry ba to? Soda's back but better, ang sabi. Ito daw yung parang healthier version ng soda. Ayan siya. Ano bang, nito? Mukha siyang cherry. Ayan. Ayan siya. Tapos, I also got it in lime. Parang kalamansi. Ganyan. Poppy. And then, I also got it in raspberry. Ayan. Raspberry. Tapos, I got some snacks. Zack's Mighty Roll. Sabi ni Rina, yung office mate ko, masarap daw. So, yeah. So, for this 3, itong tatlo, I paid, meron pa pala. Bumili din ako ng cookies, tapos binili ko din si Rina. Ayan. So, ito yung cookies. Bumili ako ng cookies. Tapos, binilhan ko din si Rina ng isang cookies na ganito. This cookie is like $5. Ayan. Tapos, meron din siya. Binilhan ko din siya ng Poppy. Basta, itong lahat na nakuha ko from Whole Foods, I paid $25.15 including tax. Nung nagpunta kami sa Fry's kasi walang napkin, walang pads sa Trader Joe's and sa Whole Foods. So, nagpunta kami ng Fry's para kumuha kasi nga nagkaroon ng first scene. So yan, itong kinuha ko, Kotex. Ito na rin yung ginagamit ko ganito yung ginagamit ko sa Philippines. Binibili sa SNR. Alam niyo yung naka-bundle, ganyan. Wala sila naka-bundle, so I got the one na nasa box. This is like $9. Parang $9 ito. Pero madami. 25, so that's $70, $80 for everything that I purchased today. And I think this is gonna last for a week, minus the water kasi nga malakas ako sa water. Pero I have naman this. Pag kinulang, di babalik na lang ulit ako doon. Pero I think the food will be enough. At saka, like I said, pwede naman ako mag-room service. So yeah, that's it. It was fun. Meron ako mga clips ng nagsha-shopping kami ni Reyna. So, I'll upload it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.